cousins, hey, it's your girl Mary Kate coming to you with a slay today. Getting ready to do my face, but I said I'm just gonna jump on right now. I have my eye cream from ELF. It's not baking. We're gonna call this sauteing.
I'm sauteing right now. Y'all don't know what that is? Let the church say subscribe.
So I just wanted to jump on and say what's up while we sauteing. This video has been brought to you by XrsBeauty. So y'all have to watch this whole video because I have some information for y'all. I have giveaway information for you guys. I have bottom line pricing, free gift information. XrsBeauty said they wanted to do it big, and that's what we're doing. We're doing it big because y'all know how I do.
You already know that.
I have that information for you, and I'm going to give it to you right after I show love to my subscriber today. Bam! You the bomb. Okay, y'all, this wig has been brought to you by XrsBeauty. Bam. Now y'all know I fool with XrsBeauty. Their package sauce is always lovely.
It's always dripping. It's never tripping. Y'all already know that.
Wide tooth comb, y'all love those. Hold on. Edge whisperer. I hope it's soft and elastic. Yes, come on. You can never have enough of these. Just make sure they do not pop and hit you in the eye. Wig cap. Rollers. Okay. I like this type with the comb, the brush, and then the flat part right there. Just in case you gotta hold it down right there and you don't want to use the comb or the brush side, you got to have that smooth side too.
A lot of people don't know that.
Oh yeah, this is good. This is a good one, y'all. Cause you know all edge whisperer brushes are not created equally, y'all. Don't snatch your edges out trying to swoop-a-doo. You're gonna swoop and oop, and then you're gonna be upset with me. And don't do me because I told y'all don't use no rough brush. So okay, so now this is an 18-inch wig, and y'all, the density is 200%. If the hair is not big, ignorant, kinky, curly, you got to give me some density, period. Now, y'all don't forget that I'm about to tell y'all some good stuff. So just hold a minute. Hold a minute. You're still in Sunday school. You trying to get to the meat of the service yet. We ain't even got there yet because, see, you just walked in Sunday school, and you was late, too, so you have to sit down for a minute, okay? This is an 18-inch, 200% density, 13x6 new clear lace and clean hairline wig. If you know anything about XrsBeauty, you already know what time it is with their lace. Melt. That's all I'm gonna say. In my opinion, they are leading the lace pack. I said it. Hey. Okay, so here is the wig. Now, as you can see, this is a straight wig, which is why we needed that 200%. You need some baba boom with straight hair. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it to look like I just got a bad perm. I'm not going for that look. We have two combs along the side. Hold on, y'all, gotta fix my rhyme. We have one in the back in the nape area, one right here in the back of the frontal piece. Again, this is a 13x6. They have it to where you can use the elastic, and it is attachable and detachable. Let's just talk about this hairline, okay? Because you can't really mention XrsBeauty without mentioning their hairline because it's always flawless. It's flawless. But they know that. XrsBeauty, you know what you out here doing. Uh-oh. I'm trying to do it to where you can see. This is the hairline. As you can see, it's very realistic. See, because my hairline is very fine right here where it starts, and then it kind of gets dense as it goes back. It's a very natural looking hairline. This is their clear, clean lace, y'all. It's much more natural than regular pre-plucked hairlines, y'all. They really like design this to where it looks like a hairline. It's shaped like a hairline, not just a pre-plucked hairline.
You see what I'm saying? There's a difference.
The way that they pluck this and the clear, clean lace, it's supposed to make that transition as natural as possible, going from the wig to your skin, okay? You want it to look like skin, all right? You want that thing to look like scalp. When you put that part off up in there, they've been trying to perfect this, and y'all, this is the closest I've ever seen. I'm gonna plop this on my head so you can see what I'm talking about, and then I'm gonna give you that bottom line information that y'all want to know. This would make such a good gift for someone, either for the holidays or birthdays. Any day, really. Got my allergies on 10,000 today. Let me just put this on so you can see. You can see, baby. I need y'all to see this, okay? Baby, tonight, I need that. I don't want to brag. The best lace you've ever had. Woo! Let me bring it back to where my hairline is, honey. Because see, I have a forehead and I'm not ashamed of it. So I bring my wigs back. I bring my wigs back for the 99-2000, all right? I wanted to mimic my hairline, and I don't have a low hairline. My hairline is high. High as a Georgia pine, okay?
Ain't no shame in my name.
Y'all look at it. Hold on. Hold on. You know what? I'm gonna just take this off because see, you're gonna see this and it's not gonna give what it's supposed to give. Watch this. Now, they got the frontal game on lock. Ooh. Now, do you see? Huh?
Do you see what I see?
It just made me want to sing. You know, a wig so good it make you want to sing. Like good food. Good food. A good spouse, they make you want to sing sometimes, honey. A good wig can do that now. Look at that. Look how natural this is. Do you see? Do you see why I fool with XrsBeauty? Look how it just melts into my cafe ole. Hey, hey, hip hop parade. Hold on now. Okay. Just so you can know, they ain't out here lying, honey. They sent me 3 lace examples. We have regular brown lace. Right there, we have regular brown lace that they sent. Regular transparent lace, which is supposed to be another step, you know, beyond regular brown lace. And then you have their new clear lace. Right there. It just kind of I want y'all to see that one more time before I put any spray on here. Because y'all didn't see that like you're supposed to have. Y'all see that? Bam. That's the brown lace, okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, baby. This is transparent lace. It's supposed to give what it's supposed to give now. It's like I see you. This is giving a little bit more of what it's supposed to give, okay? But sometimes I still have to tint transparent lace. Now, child, I can't even tell. And that is the clear lace. Did you get it? Did you grab that? That's what this is on my head. Did you grab that? Huh? Did you catch it? Cause I just tossed it and it's hot. Be careful. Okay. I'm gonna spray it on my hand with this melt spray, but y'all kind of just saw, right? Let me show you the melt lace test, okay? Hold on. Didn't I tell you what I told you I was finna say to you and tell you about it? Didn't I say that? Didn't I do it? The lace is just spectacular. I gave you the tea, now let me get to the juice. Let me give you their Black Friday bottom line price. This is their bottom price, y'all. It's gonna be 20% off, which is roughly gonna save you about $70. This is the coupon code, which will expire on November 26th, y'all. It's going to expire on November 26th, so hurry up, is what I'm saying to you, okay? Now, after you place your order, you'll get the chance to spin their lucky wheel, where you can win free orders, free gifts, large coupons. Also, what they're going to do every day until the 26th, they're going to choose a free order as well. So when you place your order, you may be in the running to get another free order. So do not forget this. They are giving lots and lots and lots and lots, y'all. They're giving a lot of discounted stuff. So get that, y'all. The bottom price, that means the lowest price is going to be the lowest price of 2021, period, y'all. Make sure you get it 20% off. Use that coupon code only until the 26th. Only until November 26th. All right, y'all. One more super dope thing that XrsBeauty is doing, and then we're gonna go ahead and lay this because I want y'all to see this. Last thing. So I have teamed up with XrsBeauty for a Ultimate Autumn Essentials giveaway for 3 amazing people. Depending on who I'm partnering with, it's going to determine what the rules are and what social media you have to have and not have. It just depends on that. There are going to be some YouTube only giveaways. This is not one. This is a YouTube and Instagram giveaway, you guys. So if you have YouTube, if you have Instagram, bam, you're able to enter into this giveaway. If you only have YouTube, don't fret. I told you, I got you. We got to do things in decency and in order. I got to order to things. Okay. The rules will be in the description box. You'll also see a post on my Instagram. Y'all know how I do.
Just follow the rules, okay?
The 3 winners will receive the same unit that I'm wearing. An edge brush and comb, spandex wig cap, elastic band and hair clip, a curling iron, and eyelashes. That's the whole Ultimate Autumn Essentials giveaway package. The giveaway is over on November 21st, okay? I will reach out to you if you have been selected. I'm excited about this. So on top of all the other dope things that they're doing for you guys, then you got a 3-winner giveaway on top of that. I mean, you guys, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. And y'all hit me up on Instagram. Y'all know how y'all be doing. And I repost because y'all be super flying y'all pictures and stuff, and y'all be tagging me. I'll be like, come on, cousin. Go, cousin, go. Go cousin, go. Go cousin, go cousin, go. Go cousin, go cousin, go. Go cousin, go. I'll be hyped. I'll be like, man, my cousin's fly. But look at that. Look at it. XrsBeauty, the high quality hair that you would expect. You can color it, you can bleach it, cut it, you can curl it, you can do whatever you want to. Information in the description box. Don't miss any of these goodies, okay? Okay. Hold a minute.